Hey everybody, it's Adam and Jen, and we're back with Market Update. Okay, Jen, another big week on Wall Street, another big week on Capitol Hill. We got some mixed results. Wall Street continues to do pretty well, all things considered, but Capitol Hill can't seem to come to an agreement.
Capitol Hill, it feels like Congress is so close to finally coming to an agreement on a second financial stimulus package worth about $900 billion that would include some direct payment to Americans. So investors are very excited about that. Plus, they're excited about the starting of distribution of one vaccine, and the FDA just approved another one. So now we have two COVID vaccines on the market. Investors are super excited. The Dow hit a record close yesterday. S&P 500, NASDAQ both hit intraday highs as well as record closes. And the S&P is about to get crazy today because Tesla is about to enter the S&P. So look for the markets to have a little bit of a wild ride this afternoon. Of course, a lot of it depends on Congress. It's not just about that stimulus package, Adam. The bill to fund the government is also a part of this. So the government will shut down on Saturday if no agreement is come to today. So keep an eye on that. Nothing as of Friday morning yet, but Friday afternoon, evening, we could probably see something. So that's one side of the equation. The other half is mortgages, Adam. And that's what we look at, and they're doing really well because we hit another historic low.
Yeah, if you are in the market, 2.67% was the average on 30 years this week from Freddie Mac's, weekly survey. That's just unbelievable. And it just continues to underscore what we've been saying. Like, this is a market that you need to take advantage of, whether it's refinancing to lower your cost of credit, refinancing to tap into equity, or, selling a home and buying another one while rates are this low. It is the time to act. And Jen, as we move into the holidays, where I know we're recording this a week from Christmas, and, like you pointed out, there are some really bright spots right now. I mean, if Capitol Hill and the folks in Congress can reach an agreement, I think, it ties up, puts a nice bow on some of the things that we've all been hoping for in the economy. But if you live on the margins, like if you have been already in a really difficult position financially this year, it hasn't really gotten better for you yet. So just remember that as we go into this Christmas holiday, that while we all have a lot to celebrate, there are also those who need a hand and need an opportunity. And so make sure you're keeping them in your thoughts and prayers as we go into a weekend that's going to be a lot of fun with Christmas. And hopefully we get some good news on Wall Street and Capitol Hill today. But there are still those who need us to extend a hand during this time of the season.
100%. Adam, there's a lot more going on too. The Fed wrapped up its open market committee meeting this week, so we have details on that and so much more right now inside the market update on movement.com/blog.